Graham, in between sessions here at the Culver Centre today, what are you hoping for people to get out of these sessions?
What I'm trying to do is raise awareness of lasting powers of attorney. Some people have heard of them, but not a lot of people know what they are. In a similar way that everybody knows that you should have a will, I want people to realise that actually everybody should be thinking about lasting powers of attorney for themselves and for their families and for those they care for.
Is it a minefield?
No, it's not a minefield. It's one of those things that frightens people, and I think part of that's because it uses the word attorney. People think it's legal and it's complicated. And this morning, the staff that have come down here from the Office of the Public Guardian have walked people through the forms. It's like any other form. It's like filling in a mortgage form. It's not easy, but it's not that complicated. And for most people, you can complete this yourself by downloading the forms and sending them off. For other people, their affairs are a bit more complicated and they'll probably need some legal advice or maybe even a full solicitor, but it's not that bad.
You've got a lot of organisations here today. Where are organisations that people come from?
Surprised, really. When we first put this out, we imagined we'd get some social workers, and indeed we've had a lot of people here from social care, a lot of professional nurses. We've had people from housing come along. We've got people here representing groups like Help the Aged. We've got advocacy groups from the third sector. Housing staff are here as well. We've had banking staff come along because banks and financial sectors need to understand about lasting powers of attorney as well. So a real broad cross-section of Thurrock, actually.
And do you think this is probably symptomatic, the popularity, you've got two sessions here, is this sort of symptomatic of our ageing population and the adult social care demands?
I think you can't get away from that. Age is coming to all of us, with a bit of luck anyway, and we also realise that something like 25% of people over the age of 80 are going to succumb to dementia, and decision making when you're older is a big issue, and people have property now and assets to think about. So, and there are two sorts of lasting powers of attorney. One of them is about your house and your money and your financial affairs, and the other one is about your health and your social care and decisions about that. And people are starting to think about having control of those decisions when they get elderly or older.
Thank you very much.